specialized centers and hospitals that are good in treating certain diseases. With artificial intelligence, we can extract that knowledge and
So the work we've been doing for many, many years now is to try to extract clinically useful information from medical scans, and we're using artificial intelligence for that. And I think we have been successful. So if I look back where we were 10 years ago, I think there was a lot of promise and hope that eventually the algorithms that we develop will be useful for clinical decision making, maybe make a difference in decisions being made to treatment or diagnosis of patients. And I think now we have seen that there's evidence. So we have actually come quite a long way of demonstrating that we can have an impact and actually impact people's lives and make a difference to patients' lives by using advanced technology in clinical practice. Imperial Medical Technologies, a UK-based company that specializes on cancer detection. So they have a tool for breast cancer detection used in screening. And again, in our research with them together, we have developed new tools that are very effective in detecting cancer earlier and very accurately, and they are used complementary to using human experts who look at the images. In the last 5 years, we had a lot of discussion about issues around replacement of human experts. But eventually what we are already seeing is that there's a lot of benefit by complementing human intelligence and machine intelligence. And I think we will just see this more and more in other fields as well. But I think really that healthcare is one of those areas where we need it and where we will have the use of technology. And that will lead to better outcomes for patients. So I think over the last couple of years, the field and also my research in my team at Imperial has moved a little bit on from just trying to develop algorithms that perform well to kind of the clinical deployment stage. How do we translate an AI algorithm safely and effectively into clinical practice? So a lot of the new work that we are doing is focusing on robustness of these algorithms, reliability, and safety and fairness. Because this is AI technology that's building and using historical data. Historical data often has biases. We now need to very carefully analyze how an algorithm might potentially amplify bias and how we can mitigate this to eventually make sure that the technology works for everyone, everywhere in the world. I think what I want to see, and I'm pretty sure it will happen in the next 5 years, is that AI being used to routinely look at medical scans will just become standard practice. And not only because we think we need it and the AI can do it, but also because patients have almost a right that the latest technology is being used as widely as possible. So I'm pretty sure this will happen in the next 5-10 years. Whenever you go to a doctor and you get a medical scan, a chest x-ray, or you get your routine screening, that there will be technology involved that will just help and make sure that we get the best possible outcomes. People actually embrace new technology and want to have solutions that can free up time to have more time with patients and take over some of the mundane and time-consuming tasks. Further on, it will be fascinating to see where the technology will lead us.